My dear students, I have come with simple tricks, and the tricks are that we remember there are verbs, certain verbs which have double role. Double role in the sense that they can be used as main verb as well as helping verbs. So let us talk about verbs first of all in present tense. We have do, does, is, am, are, has, and have. Then in past tense, did, was, were, had. Now, above all these verbs which I have mentioned, they act as main verb and as well as helping verb. So, this action is called double role of the verbs. When they act as main verb, there is no other verb in the sentence. Because we all know that in simple sentence, there is only one verb which is to be used. But when they act as helping verbs, they are followed by main verb. Now, see, for example, I'm giving you certain examples in present tense when these verbs are used as main verbs. She does her work efficiently. He does his duty honestly. I do my work. They do their job. Then is, am, are. When they are used with third person singular pronouns and all singular nouns in the present tense. He is a promising boy. Here is used as a main verb. That boy is thirsty. Ram is not my friend. Is his father ill? Is she a beggar? Then am. Am is used only with first person singular pronoun I. I am ill. I am not your brother. I am a student. I am a good singer. Am I a liar? Am I not an intelligent student? So in all these examples you notice that am is they are used as main verb. Are. Now let us talk about are. Are is used with second person you, both singular and plural, we, they, and all plural nouns in the present tense. You are an honest boy. They are agitated. They are hungry. Our countrymen are hard working. You are not a faithful servant. Are all those girls clever? Now, all these examples make us clear that this are is used as a main verb because there is no other verb and it is used not as a helping verb, rather as a main verb. Now, there are certain idiomatic use of is, am, are. In certain idioms and phrases, we use is, am, are. I'm late for college. That flat is too lit. It is closed today. The fair is in full swing. Is the house on fire? Am I late for school? I'm just on time. You are in the wrong. Are they clever boys? I'm a man of word, true to my word. Has and have. In the present tense, has is used with the third person singular nouns and pronouns. He, she. Rajesh has two brothers. A country has many big cities. My elder sister has not much money. That poor boy has not woolen clothes. Has that traveler any suitcase? Has that city narrow streets? Then comes have. Have is also used as a main verb. I am giving examples where have is used as a main verb. I have a costly pen. I have 4 cows and 2 cats. I have no spare time. You have no money today. Have they a holiday tomorrow? Have you no appetite today? So all these examples, they indicate that has and have is used as a main verb. Then use of did. She did her work well. I did my job efficiently. Then was and were. Used with third person singular number and first person. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of a country. Puneet was a meritorious student. She was not angry. Amit was not my well wisher. Was that road under repairs? Was Kavita not hardworking? I was wrestler at 16. Then were. Examples of were. Were is used with plural pronouns they, we, you, and all plural nouns. We were fast friends. You were busy in gossips. All the questions were not quite easy. They were not present in the meeting yesterday. Were the players in the playground? Were not our ancestors educated? Then head. Subhashan Bose had great love for freedom. I had an urgent piece of work today. Yesterday, he had no hope of his success. I had no dealings with him. Had she curly hair? Had he no news of his brother? Now, here, all these are used as main verbs, not as a helping verbs. Otherwise, we know that these other verbs, they are used as helping verbs. You all remember, does and do is used with as I already told in my previous lecture, it is used with indefinite tenses. Is, am, are is used with continuous tenses. Then has and have is used with perfect tense. Then had is also used with past perfect. Then did is used in past indefinite. Was, were is used with past continuous. So that is all you have to remember, that these verbs have double roles. They can be used as main verb and helping verb. How to find out that this is a main verb and this is the helping verb? Because if no other verb is used, it means they are acting as a main verb. So in a sense, it denotes to be. That is, it is the main verb and it also has the meaning. The implied meaning is to be. He was a doctor. He is a doctor. So that is for to be, just to show that it is to be. And otherwise, when it is used as a helping verb, we use some other form of verb, either first form or second form or third form, or for first form of the verb plus ing. It denotes the tenses. So you remember that apart from tenses, as I in my previous lecture I told about gist of tenses, there are certain verbs also which should be taken into consideration, that they have a double role. They can be used as main verb as well as helping verb. So that is all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next series.